Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by charging the Beat Studio 3 and confirming the LED behavior. A red light means charging and white means ready. Next, press and hold the power button for 1 to 2 seconds until you hear the power tone. This wakes the headset. Once on, make sure your phone or laptop Bluetooth is enabled, then open Bluetooth settings and scan. Tap Beat Studio 3 to initiate pairing. You'll hear a confirmation tone. If asked for code, try 0000. This gets you into the active pairing state quickly. You now refine pairing and enable noise control features. If you're on iOS, bring the headset near the device to use the W1 chip auto pair. Follow the on-screen prompt. For Android or PC, select the headset from the Bluetooth list and confirm. Once paired, press the left ear cup controls to switch active noise canceling or transparency so you can hear ambient sound when needed. Make sure to check battery status in your operating system and reconfirm the connection if audio stutters or drops, adjusting distance to the source if necessary. You finish by learning everyday controls and maintenance steps to keep audio reliable. Use right ear controls for play/pause and skip, and long press for voice assistant. This makes hands-free use simple. Periodically check for firmware updates through the Beats app or your device to improve ANC and connectivity. Once done, store in the case to preserve battery. If problems persist, reset the headset by holding power and volume down for 10 seconds. Then repair. This single troubleshooting move resolves most persistent connection faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.